Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. In this video, we will explore the meaning of intolerable in English, delve into its definition, and uncover a variety of synonyms for intolerable. Understanding the nuances of this word can enrich your vocabulary and enhance your communication skills. Intolerable meaning in English. The term intolerable refers to something that is unbearable or unendurable. It is used to describe situations, conditions, or behaviors that are so difficult or unpleasant that they cannot be accepted or tolerated. This word is often used in contexts where the level of discomfort or annoyance is exceptionally high. Definition of intolerable. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, intolerable is defined as too bad, harsh, or severe to be accepted or endured. This definition highlights the extreme nature of whatever is being described as intolerable. The key aspect of this word is its emphasis on the inability to tolerate or endure something due to its severity. Usage examples. To better understand how to use intolerable in a sentence, here are some examples. The heat in the desert was intolerable, making it impossible to continue the journey. His behavior at the meeting was intolerable, causing everyone to feel uncomfortable. The pain from the injury became intolerable, requiring immediate medical attention. Synonyms for intolerable. Expanding your vocabulary with synonyms can help you express yourself more precisely. Here are several synonyms for intolerable that you can use in various contexts. Unbearable. Unbearable is a direct synonym for intolerable and is often used interchangeably. It signifies something that cannot be borne or tolerated due to its extreme nature. Example. The noise from the construction site was unbearable, disrupting the entire neighborhood. Insufferable. Insufferable is another powerful synonym that conveys a similar meaning. It describes something so annoying or unpleasant that it cannot be endured. Example. Her attitude was insufferable, making it difficult for anyone to work with her. Unendurable. Unendurable emphasizes the inability to endure something, highlighting the extreme discomfort or pain involved. Example. The cold in the mountains was unendurable, forcing the hikers to seek shelter. Unacceptable. While unacceptable may not always convey the same intensity as intolerable, it is still a useful synonym. It describes something that cannot be accepted or tolerated due to its unsatisfactory nature. Example. The conditions in the factory were unacceptable, leading to numerous complaints from the workers. Excruciating. Excruciating is often used to describe intense physical pain but can also be applied to situations that are extremely difficult to endure. Example. The pain from the broken leg was excruciating, requiring immediate medical attention. Outrageous. Outrageous can describe something shockingly bad or excessive, making it intolerable. Example. The prices at the resort were outrageous, deterring many potential visitors.